Throughout Uganda, land is more than just property. It is the foundation of identity, livelihood, wealth, and survival. Yet today, many communities are suffering due to land grabs and violence. In such situations, it's often the children, women, and the poor who suffer the most. As Uganda develops, some investors, in collusion with certain authorities, are illegally displacing innocent people from their land. In Kyandongo district, a woman lives in fear, thrown off her land, sleeping in the bush, threatened by the armed men working for investors. In other parts of the country, a dedicated teacher tries to educate students in the open after their school was demolished and their land taken. In Aleptong, women watch in distress as institutions and investors encroach on their land, threatening their only source of livelihood. In Mubende, a mother of 5 is left hopeless and homeless after her community was evicted by force to make way for a coffee factory. And in Benet, a woman lives with trauma. Her community was brutally evicted. Many were raped, beaten, and killed. These people are suffering, stranded, pushed to the edge, abandoned, but not by us. As ActionAid International Uganda, we stand with people living in extreme poverty. We speak out. We defend their right to land, dignity, and justice. We know we cannot do it alone. That's why we work with partners like Action Alliance, NetPel, Witness Radio, and other like-minded organizations. Together, we equip affected communities with knowledge and skills through training on non-violent action, personal and community security, available remedies, and legal processes. We also provide pro bono legal services, representing communities in the courts through public interest litigation. We help people secure vital documents such as powers of attorney, letters of administration, identity cards, and death certificates. We sit with communities, not just to address their legal challenges, but also to listen, to stand in solidarity, and to celebrate their victories. The people we work with are more than victims. They are resilient, they have names, families, and visions for the future. And we believe when they are empowered, they can achieve their dreams. When human rights defenders in communities are trained, women like Fatuma rise up against injustice. They go on to train others and lead advocacy to reclaim community land. When communities understand that their voice matters, school teachers like Alex take collective action, helping to restore land and rebuild rural education. When residents in Mubende receive free legal services, women like Imelda can finally get compensated, build decent homes, and send their children back to school. Partner with us to protect land rights, especially in communities affected by large-scale investments. Your support helps provide legal aid, trainings, capacity building, advocacy, and protection of vulnerable communities. Let's build a Uganda where no one is forced off their land.